What did you do, Buster? You look... What did you do? He ran and his tail's like... Oh, Mom, look at his tail got big. Because he got scared. And I was carrying him around in like a paper bag. It's pretty funny. What'd you do, Buster? What are you eating? Did you get up on the counter again?
No, Fluffy's checking out the bag.
Oh, gotta go get Fluffy. Gotta go get Fluffy. What are you doing, Fluffy? What are you doing? Huh? Then we got the Buster Boo. Buster Magoo. Buster Magoo. He's like, what's that? Buster Boo. I think Buster's Chinese. Where's the... Alright, guys, you grab your little cat dangler. Woo! Live action. And then you got the Fluffy over here. Get it, Fluffy, get it. Get it, Fluffy, get it. Get it, Fluffy, get it. Good boy. Good boy.
Who's the guy from social work from Hennepin County?
I love you, Buster. Say goodbye, Fluffy. Fluffy. Say goodbye. Bye. Say goodbye, Buster.